What's going on, ladies and gents? It's been a while. Didn't look at the camera there because I was looking at the screen at the top. Not going to ramble too much in this video. Brief explanation. So I stopped lifting weights. I basically started doing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu instead. Stopped weights in September last year, I believe, and then I started BJJ in the October of last year. No desire to go back to lifting weights at all, so you can write that off. Probably not going to be making any more content of that nature. I'm going to do a little series over the next couple of weeks, just for anybody who's interested in like giving this a go, right? Because it's something anybody can do as long as you've got a couple of quid put back to buy the equipment and everything else, and you're good to go. This video is going to be about how to get your customers, because the customers are the backbone of literally any business. Without the customers, you're getting nowhere, right? So I don't want to like teach anyone to suck eggs, right? But where are most of your customers going to be? The people that want a window cleaner, where do they spend a lot of their time? In the house, right? People who want a window cleaner, they're normally going to be at home a lot. So where are you going to find them? At home, right? Like, I know that sounds like a really fucking stupid remark, but the point I'm making is, right, that's where you find them. So you actually go to these customers, you find them. Like, if you put a post on Facebook, it's not going to get you very far, I promise you. I've paid Facebook ads, I've paid Google ads, I've done all that stuff. I started out with canvassing, knocking doors, handing over a business card. My name's Jamie, just wondering if you're looking for a window cleaner. That's all you ask. That's how I started, and that's how I got most of my work. Since then I got a bit lazy and I started trying Facebook ads and Google ads and everything else, even though I knew better, right? And last month I think I spent about 60 quid on Facebook ads, and I got one job, £120 a month job, right? Which is okay. Within 3 months it'll pay for itself, and then after that it'll be profit. But if I'd just got knocked that door, I would have got it for free, plus I probably would have got about 10 on that street as well, and then I'd have a full round on that road that I could do over a day. Do 10 jobs in a day. That's going to be between 150 to 200 quid for the day. Which one sounds better to you? You know, so you go, right? So this is, you're probably sitting there thinking, what the fuck's this guy on about? So I'm gonna give you some insight, right? So 9 to 5 workers. Most people are 9 to 5 workers. Where are they between 9 to 5? They're at work. After 5, they're going to be at home, maybe say 6 to be safe, and they're going to be there all night, most of the time. So if you go out between 5 and say 9, you're going to catch most people. And if this is the street you're on, right, and you start here and you end here and you knock every fucking house from that side to that side and you don't miss a single house, I promise you'll get at least 5 to 10 customers on every street that you do that to. Promise you. And you just knock, hi, my name's Jamie, just wondering if you're looking for a window cleaner. Nothing to worry about, just knock to see if you're looking for a window cleaner. Anything along those lines. For a regular window cleaner, that's a good one, because obviously it puts in their head straight away that you don't just want to clean their windows once, you want to do it regularly for them. But it doesn't have to be complicated. They're going to say yes or they're going to say no, or they might not answer the door. If they don't answer the door, knock the next door, but chuck a card in just in case. You don't get much back when you do that, but the odd person will ring you back from you just dropping a card through. So it's worth doing, even if they don't answer. Knock the next door. If they say no, knock the next door. Eventually you're going to get a yes, and that first yes is your first window cleaning job, and that's where it all fucking begins. And you just build around. I mean, when I started building my round, I was on furlough in lockdown, and I had a nice cushy, I think I was taking about 1600 on furlough in my bank for doing no work, right? And I went out knocking, and I think I got to about 850, 900 a month of regular work, and I quit there because I thought to myself, right, I can pay my bills now. Sorry, my throat's really dry. Thought I can pay my fucking bills, I don't need your furlough anymore. I'm going to go and if I quit my job there, it puts urgency on me. If I stay taking the furlough, I would have just done my 800-900 quid, taking my furlough at about 2.5 grand, whatever, and just got comfortable. So I just quit the job. So keep your furlough, thank you very much, I quit. So now I've only got enough to pay my bills. So now I've got to really fucking go and canvas. Now I've really got to find some customers. And that's what I did. I went out, I woke up the next day, I was like, fuck, I quit my job. I was like, fucking hell, I need to go get customers. And you best fucking believe, mate, right, within a month I was up to £1,600 a month from there, from that point. So I gained 700 quid's worth of customers in less than a month, on the basis of me putting that urgency on myself. So just get to a point where you can cover your bills, and go from there. But like I said, next video is going to be about pricing a job. There's no point knocking the doors if you don't know what to price it at, and there's no right or wrong, but I can give you guidelines based on what I earn an hour. If you're happy to earn the same as me, then I can tell you how to price a job, and once you're my speed and you can do it as quickly as I can do it, then that's what you will be earning using the same pricing structure as me. And then obviously we'll talk about add-on jobs, then we'll talk about conservatories and gutters and everything else. We're going to go through it all, and anybody who's interested, there's going to be no excuse not to go out and fucking give it a good shot after watching all these videos, I promise you. But this camera's going to die, so I'm going to cut the video here. It's nice to be back, nice to see you all again, even though I can't fucking see you. You can see me though. Like, comment, subscribe, guys, the usual stuff, you know, and say hello in the comments. I haven't spoken to any of you in quite a long time now, so just drop me a comment, say hello, and see you next time.